Hey YouTube, today we're going to build the James Webb Space Telescope. You can find it on printables. If you want to build along, the link will be in the description down below. So for this model you'll need to print 7 files. First we'll start with the secondary mirror and insert the upper and lower struts. Then we can take the primary mirror and add the edge shield around it. Then place a peg into the receiver and insert the receiver into the center of the primary mirror. Next, insert 4 pegs into the equipment bay and attach it to the primary mirror. Make sure the strut holes on the primary mirror are towards the bottom of the equipment bay. Now we can glue the stabilizer onto the sun shield. Then insert the equipment bay into the sun shield. Then we'll attach the secondary mirror into the slots for the struts. Last we'll build a stand by placing the arm through the bottom hole in the base. Then we can place the telescope on top. Now that it's complete, this is an awesome model of the James Webb Space Telescope. For anyone who loves space, this is a super cool model to build. Well, if you got to the end of this video, thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this build, feel free to give this video a like and subscribe for more build videos.